Y'all went to go listen to my new song, man. I just put out August 25th. It's called August 25th. Y'all went to go listen to it. I'm a cool cat. That's with a K, nigga. I'm a cool cat. I'm a cool cat, yeah. Say early bird get the worm first. I'm so smooth, I zip back. Soon. The bitch thought they got the worm, bitch. I come through and bitch grab both of their ass, yeah. I'm a cool cat. Hey, pussy. Hey, get it. Yeah. Feet up to the feet up, yeah. My nigga stay throwing shade on me. My little nigga just said he the biggest Haitian artist in the world. Him and White Club. A bitch just came through and said, nah, Yak is. Say Yak. That boy say Yak might be the biggest artist out of Broward. That's what Jit said. Supposed to be my little nigga, my little bro. He say, Ben, Yak might be the biggest artist out of Broward. Homie. That boy say Yak probably might be the biggest artist out of Broward. But he ain't the biggest Haitian artist. Cause I wasn't born in Haiti. He say since he was born in Haiti, he the biggest. He say I ain't full blood. He say I ain't full blooded Haitian. Cause I wasn't born in Haiti. I do a lot of shit. Man. My grandma got a mansion in Haiti. I support Haiti. I real paid the life. I real so man. I put on, I ain't have to be born in Haiti. Nigga, poppy ass shit. You a fucking poppy, man. That's why I got the sauce like that. Somehow he wasn't born in Broward. That's why he don't move like us. That's why you ain't got the sauce, nigga. Poppy ass shit. Fucking poppy name stone. Y'all don't worry. I got Broward. I got Anoya, Pompanoia. I got Florida. I got 82. They got everybody. Y'all can count on me. Thanks.